The brutal truth about crypto and your future wealth? I'm about to tell you something no one else will. 97% of people who try crypto lose all their money. It's insane. I see Lambos on Instagram go in and get absolutely destroyed by the market. But what about the other 3%? The ones who get crazy rich? They're not just lucky, they have a secret playbook. They don't gamble on meme coins. They build the actual systems that make money. And today, I'm going to give you that playbook, step by step, so you can join the 3%. Because not knowing this stuff could cost you thousands or even millions. 1. The machine is rigged. Let's be real. The crypto market is a giant machine for moving money from people who are impatient to people who are patient. It's basically designed to take your money if you don't know what you're doing. Every time you see a coin go to the moon, someone else is getting completely wiped out. And don't even get me started on security. So far in 2025, hackers have stolen over $2.17 billion. That's not a joke. That is an insane amount of money. This is the Wild West, but with worse sheriffs. There are no safety nets. No one to call if you get scammed. It's just you. And the volatility is crazy. Bitcoin can swing 10% in an hour. Altcoins can go to zero in seconds. If you jump in with no plan, you're not an investor. You're just fuel for someone else's rocket ship. 2. The exit-liquidity mindset. This is the biggest mistake I see everyone make. You spend all your time trying to find the perfect moment to buy a coin. You watch 100 videos, you join 1,000 chat groups, and then bam, the price crashes right after you buy. The 3%, the smart money, does the complete opposite. The second they buy something, they already know when they're going to sell it. They know their price target. They know what they'll do if it drops. They have a plan. Seriously, tattoo this on your brain. Knowing when to buy makes you feel smart. Knowing when to sell makes you rich. If you can't say exactly why you'll sell a coin in one sentence, do not buy IT. End of story. $3 cost averaging is boring until IT isn't. Forget trying to get rich overnight. I'm going to give you the most powerful and also the most boring crypto strategy in the world. Dollar cost averaging. It sounds complicated, but it's so simple. You just pick one day a week, and on that day, you automatically buy a fixed amount of Bitcoin or Ethereum. You do it if the market's up. You do it if the market's down. You never stop. Take all emotion out of it. And listen to this. It's insane. A Fidelity study found that people who just bought $10 of Bitcoin every single Friday outperformed 92% of professional day traders over the last decade. They did less work and made more money. And you don't need a ton of cash to start. There are apps that let you invest your spare change. $10 here, $20 there. You do that for 10 years, and suddenly you have a crazy amount of money. It's the ultimate life hack. FOUR concentration creates wealth. Diversification protects it. Look at one of the richest men alive, Warren Buffett. His company's worth $1 trillion, and he basically invests in like 10 companies. He knows exactly what he owns. But then you look at the average crypto investor, and they own 43 different dog coins and are wondering why they're still broke. Stop spreading your money across 1 million different projects. It's a disaster. You need to pick 2, maybe 3, projects that you actually understand. I mean really understand. Go deep. Figure out how they actually make money. Find out what makes them special. Put most of your money in one project you believe in for the long run, a little in a more risky one, and always keep some cash ready to go. Buying everything is just buying a lottery ticket to being broke. 5. Utility Vs. Hype. The smell test. If a project's plan looks like it was written by a fortune cookie, just run away. Real projects have real developers doing real work that you can actually see. They have real partnerships you can Google. So before you throw your money at the next hyped up coin, you have to ask yourself these 3 questions. Be honest. 1. How does this thing actually make money? Who is paying for it? 2. If the founders disappeared tomorrow, would the project instantly die? 3. Could you do the same thing faster and cheaper without using a blockchain? If you can't give a good answer for at least 2 of those, then you've just found a future train wreck. Don't be the person losing all their money on it, please. 6. Security is your job description. I need you to listen to me. An exchange is not a bank. There's a giant target for hackers. The only person who should control your crypto is you. That's why you have to move your crypto to a hardware wallet. This isn't a maybe, it's a must. And when you get your secret seed phrase, those 12 or 24 words, write them down on a piece of metal, not paper. Hide it somewhere safe, offline, and check every single website URL before you connect your wallet. One wrong letter and a hacker can drain your entire account in seconds. The average person who makes this mistake loses $11,000. And please, stop posting your wallet balance on Twitter. It's so dumb. Security is your job. Protect your money. If this feels like a slap in the face, good. It means you're paying attention and you're ready to actually win. So do me a favor. Destroy that like button. Let us help the YouTube algorithm save the next person from losing their life savings on some crazy scam coin. Let's get this message to everyone. 7. Regulation is coming, and that's fine. The Bitcoin ETF getting approved was huge. It was basically the starting gun for regulation. Listen, a company like BlackRock that manages trillions of dollars doesn't get into crypto if they think it is going to disappear. This means the party is just getting started. It's just moving to a bigger, safer building. This is a good thing. This means more big money is coming in, and you'll be more protected. So get ready now. Do the KYC, know your customer and your accounts. Pay your taxes. And seriously stop bragging about privacy coins on Twitter. You're literally creating a public record for the IRS to come find you. Just be smart. 8. Bear markets are the only markets that matter. Literally anyone can make money in a bull market. It's easy to feel like a genius when every coin is going up. But the bear market, when everything is crashing and burning, THAT is when future millionaires are made. Bull markets are for tweeting, bear markets are for building wealth. Just look at history. Bitcoin crashed 84% in 2018. Everyone was panicking. But the people who bought during that crash made a 26-fold return 3 years later. It's insane. So when prices are falling and everyone in your group chat is silent, that's not the time to panic. That is the time to buy. That is the biggest opportunity you will ever get. In conclusion, the wealth transfer is still early. Listen to me. You are not late to crypto. You're so early. The whole system is still messy and chaotic, and that is your opportunity to get ahead. So here, S your roadmap to joining the 3% Club. Plan your sells before you plan your buys. Automate your investments so you're always buying. Focus your money on a few big winners you actually understand. And secure your crypto like your life depends on it, because your financial life does. When the market crashes, don't run away, run towards it. Do all of that, and you won't be chasing moonshots anymore. You'll be building real wealth. The other 97% will still be on their phones wondering what went wrong. So what's your exit plan? Drop your strategy in the comments below. Subscribe if you're new here. I read every comment, and I'm giving a free hardware wallet to the best one. Let's build the 3% Club together.